readychain Premium is a ready-to-use energy supply module developed by igus GmbH based in Cologne, who are the market leader for e-chains and chain flex special cables for moving applications. Our custom-made solutions require a comprehensive range of individual components. igus provides 1,244 cable types, 100,000 e-chain parts, 5,000 connector components, as well as several thousand other parts from stock, harnessed and ready to connect from simple to complex, from one piece to large batches. As a customer, you have the choice of supply on a pallet, in an individual packaging, or on igus's own transport and assembly frame, the readychain rack. Everything from one source, direct from the manufacturer. The company's e-chains and chain flex cables are tested extensively in an area of 2,750 square meters, which is the largest test lab in the industry. Tested and guaranteed, direct from the manufacturer. The entire readychain system production is characterized by lean processes and a high degree of automation in the case of chain injection molding and pre-assembly. In cable manufacture, cable preparation, and hose fitting. From development to serial production, one of our experienced project managers will support you throughout the process. The igus service includes the interface definition, the support for the selection and construction of all attachment parts, and even the participation in project discussions at your premises. Our project engineers will design a readychain Premium module that is matched to your machine with centimeter accuracy for a just-in-time delivery to your machine. Produced and engineered direct from the manufacturer. At the Cologne site, one of 12 igus harnessing factories worldwide, we manufacture 10,000 ready-to-connect cables and more than 1,600 readychain systems per week. Highly efficient from batch size 1. Equipped with ready-to-connect electrical cables, pneumatic lines, hydraulic lines, and sensors, the readychain Premium module is optimized for your machine interface. 3 elements therefore ensure the highest quality and shortest delivery times: high degree of standardization, precise work instructions, and the experience of our 160 employees in harnessing. Each harnessed chain is tested visually, technically, and electrically for deviations from the project documentation. Only readychain Premium modules that are completed 100% will receive the igus test label and the delivery release. Harnessed and controlled direct from the manufacturer. In Germany, Europe, and worldwide, own products designed, produced, harnessed, and tested according to the highest quality standards. This is readychain Premium from igus. Guaranteed quality, direct from the manufacturer. Start purchasing industrially harnessed energy chain modules today, direct from the manufacturer.